Like, record me trying to fly it.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I am playing Roblox.
And I'm trying to escape.
And my friend Ryder is trying to come to my island and yeah. I'm just gonna show you something real quick.
How?
Yeah, here, I'll show you real quick. It's kind of weird. Yeah. He crashed his plane. So.
I'm gonna see if I can fly it out.
Okay, try. I mean, it's kind of working.
It's working. Yes, it is. Oh, crap.
My screen isn't. I'm in your plane. I'm a pilot. Brum brum. Try it backwards, not forward. Okay, this clearly isn't working.
Come look at me in the face. Come look at me in the face. Super important. Come look at me in the face.
Did anyone else see that? Just me?
Don't worry, I'm gonna fix the plane. I'm gonna fix it.
Okay, fix the plane, please.
You are no longer gonna have a plane crash.
Oh my gosh.
And now, if you look to where, like, just do some stuff and I'll tell you when to look at
Okay.
where I crashed. Because I want to see, I want you to record it.
Yeah, I'm already screen recording.
Woo!
Freak like moi.
Okay, no, I'll tell you when to go upstairs to where I crashed, okay? Because I want to see it, me crash.
But I'm already doing stuff upstairs. So.
Okay. No, but don't go to the wall. Don't go to the wall.
No, I'm not.
Because I want to
Buy
crash.
a wall.
No, I want to crash through the hole.
I can't even buy it anyway.
Yeah, I want to crash through the hole.
I'm saving up for 46,000.
Oh, I see the airport. I'm nearly there.
Yippee. Can I come in? No.
And I'm coming back to your airport. Nice.
Woohoo! What? You never said to come upstairs. I'm scared what happened. Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm gonna fix it. Rather than my face, I'll tell you when I'm there. I'll tell you when I'm about to land.
So I go upstairs when you're about to land. So you say, look outside or something.
Yeah, look out, showing. And just see me like Lucas like It's like just see a giant plane.
Guys, soon we will be flying around in my plane. But that's soon, won't it?
And I'm about to fix the plane, so
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna give it like a test drive soon.
I'm gonna be there very soon, brother.
Okay. So do I go up now?
No, I'm just took off. But this plane's really fast. I'll tell you when I'm approaching, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm approaching the airport. Upstairs.
I'm upstairs already. I'm scared.
Now you got that song stuck in my head, brother. Thank you.
I'm scared for some reason.
You're scared to see a plane crash into me.
Oh no, I see the plane!
Hi, Ryder. It's getting weirder every single time. I'm gonna see if I can back out. Can I get on my own?
No. Hold up. Is the wing is inside the building? Now bring a different plane. Okay.
Yeah, I'll bring a different plane. I'll bring my private jet.
Okay.
And I'll crash it in the same spot.
Okay.
Was that scary? Just me just going like, whoop.
Kinda.
Imagine, like, are you gonna post it?
On what?
YouTube.
Okay, I will. Hi, YouTube.
Okay, I'm gonna be coming soon.
Okay.
I'm not gonna respawn my plane. I'm gonna bring my private jet down. Should I crash it in the same spot?
Yes.
Just like, what?
Try do it like over here a bit.
Yeah, then I'm gonna bring my little plane. I feel like my little plane will be able to fit that whole leg.
Bruh, a donut dropper is 100,000. It's not cheap.
Don't buy any walls, because it's gonna be alright. Private jet up in here. I'm about to take off.
Okay, let's see some stuff outside we can build. Oh, bye. Alright, so this one is a
Private
plane.
jet's the fastest plane I have.
Wait, is that 40,000? That's not. No, it's not 100.
Okay, I'm approaching the airport now. Approaching the airport. Go upstairs.
Okay. I really hope I make it up in time.
I'm coming. You see me?
Hold up. Oh, I see you. He was stuck. Alright, come back with the third plane.
Yeah, I'll come back with my small plane. That's my smallest and last plane.
Okay.
I'm halfway in the ground, like.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what we can buy next.
I might take a while this time since my smallest plane is also my slowest.
Right. There's nothing to buy up here except for the 100,000 thingy, so I'm gonna buy that. And the walls, but I'm not gonna buy the walls.
Walls.
Huh? I said I'm not gonna buy the walls.
Okay. Because I'm about to crash.
That's so weird. I want that crash into your plane and airport.
Wait, the little plane actually fits inside.
I really hope it does.
Like chicken wing. I don't even know. I put on Jesus, plane is slow.
Almost see it.
Go upstairs. Because I'm nearly there. Just go upstairs, I'm nearly there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm nearly there, buddy. Go. I really hope this fits. Otherwise, I know. So looking outside. Wait, can I see the planes? Just like 2 planes.
I don't see the last one yet.
Wait. What airport? You're the red airport. I'm not seeing your airport anymore. There it is. Okay, I'm coming in.
Now?
Yeah, I see your airport. I'm coming.
You coming?
I see your lights in the distance. Coming in for a landing, boys.
I don't see your plane yet.
It's over by Rocket Park. Coming in. You see it? I'm coming in, Riley.
Oh, I see it now. Oh, this. Oh my!
Where am I? I don't see myself on my screen. I don't even know where I am. Oh, I'm over here.
Oh, hello.
About that.
Should I close it all up now?
Yeah.
Next time we'll find a different place. Hold up, I want to see what it looks like. I'm going to buy them with the planes there.
Yes, do it.
Okay, let's see what it's going to look like.
Imagine if they explode, like half the airport just blows up.
that'd be really bad.
It would also be funny at the same time.
Okay, nothing's happening yet.
I'm gonna go look outside. Oh my god, I can't even get this.
I'm pretty sure there's another red
Oh my
one.
god, someone else is here. Someone else is here. I bet he's like thinking like, what is happening?
I reckon. No swearing.
Hey. Oh wait. What is it? It's a blue plane. It's a blue plane.
Hi, Ugly. I'm kidding, kidding.
Can you let me out?
Yep. It won't even let me. I'm tapping on it.
Wait, us. Hold on.
You have to tap it.
I know.
It's annoying.
Well,
Go back and reset your planes.
yeah, I will.
So I'm gonna watch it and see what it looks like, because I don't know what it looks like normally.
Oh, I thought I did. Oh,
That looks so weird, man.
I want to crash it.
Hold on, I gotta get a screenshot of this.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, back. Where's this one?
I am.
Little plane is. Oh, wait. Riley, don't fly outside the walls. So I think there's still a gap. Then my little plane.
There is a gap.
My little plane will be able to fit in there. I just want to get to my private jet area.
Goodbye, private jet. You're always my favorite. I'm sorry, other planes. But private jet, you're always my favorite. Fly high, big one.
You wouldn't even finish talking when I respawned it. Once for my plane, I actually fit, and I just go flying through the airport like, meow. Electric car. 120 robots.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, wait, no. We still got one more plane to do. Never mind. I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, I wonder if I can expand my island yet.
I'll tell you when I'm approaching your island. Just like, imagine just seeing me go through the hole. Like,
Whoa, I got a pad for you.
no, I want to crash through the hole. I want to go through the hole.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start heading up now.
I'm approaching Volcano Island, so I should be there very shortly.
Okay.
Cannonball! Fire! I'm approaching your island.
Alright, I'm gonna stand right here so I can like get front row seat.
Actually works.
I'm gonna get a front row seat. I've got like a front row seat here.
Yeah, by the way, she's in the same building as me. This is my house, so yeah.
This is my house. Oh wait, what? Oh, okay, that's
This is
me.
my house. Alright,
Alright.
so she's at my computer, watching it happen
okay.
from my screen.
No, I'm gonna watch it from my screen though. Camera, seeing it from my screen. See the new pad I got? The thingy?
Yep, I see it.
I see you. That didn't work really well, did it? Wow. This plane constipated or something? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.
I'm gonna see if I can push this.
Wait, what just happened?
The plane's leaving me. The plane left me. Please tell me you got that on camera.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Please, please follow her on TikTok and.
One like equals one RIP for the plane.
Oh,
But
and subscribe. 10,100 likes to do another episode.
Yeah. No, how about 10 likes? Because I don't get.
Oh yeah.
My highest video is like 3 likes.
Yeah.
Yay.
10 likes to get. Have another episode.
Woo.